We will now look at how to define piles in SAFE. The pile specifications are as follows. The pile diameter is 60 centimeters, and the enlarged base diameter at the tip is 120 centimeters. The subgrade modulus beneath the pile is 3.12 kilograms per square centimeter. The pile length is 3 meters, measured from the bottom of the foundation to the tip of the pile. Since the piles are located at the corners of the plan, their cross-section is modeled as a quarter circle. The soil beneath the pile is modeled as a spring, and its stiffness is calculated by multiplying the soil subgrade modulus at that level by the cross-sectional area of the pile. The stiffness of the spring beneath the pile is calculated as shown above. The pile itself also behaves like a spring. Together with the soil beneath it, they act as two springs in series. The stiffness of the pile is calculated using the equations for axial stiffness of columns. The equivalent stiffness of the pile, modeled as an unreinforced concrete column, is calculated using. This accounts for the quarter circle cross-section, due to the pile being located at the corner of the plan. Since the two springs, pile stiffness and soil stiffness, act in series, the equivalent stiffness is calculated using. Therefore, the equivalent stiffness becomes. Now substituting the values into the equation. So, the equivalent spring stiffness of the pile soil system is approximately 8,694 kilograms per square centimeter. To account for the local stiffness effect of the pile on the foundation, in addition to defining the spring element, a stiff element is also introduced. The definition of this element is used for optimization of the foundation model and helps reduce bending moments in the slab around the pile locations. Note that since the actual pile cross-section is a quarter circle, and the pile currently modeled has a full circular section, it is necessary to convert it to a quarter circle section to correctly represent the real geometry. In this way, the pile can be properly modeled on the foundation in SAFE, and the analysis and design process can be carried out with higher accuracy. This approach allows the engineer to better capture the real interaction between the pile and the soil, especially in areas with stiffness variations and geometry differences. As a result, the final foundation design becomes more realistic, more reliable, and closer to actual field behavior. Under load conditions,